Okay. Maran bukti maran.
Welcome to our Katyar High School virtual classroom. My dear students, class 9 vocational, my continuous class about English 1 for you. In my last class, I discussed about partial speech. Today, I am discussing about verbs not used in the continuous. Now, I am reading a dialogue for you. Notice it. These verbs are in bold. The page number 41, your English grammar textbook. These are all in the simple present form. Although they tell us about something that is happening now. I am reading the dialogue. Do you smell anything? Here is a picture. Students, I hope you see this picture. Look at this picture. Do you smell anything? I am sure something is burning. I can hear people screaming. I can hear cracking sounds too. Look, do you see smoke coming out of that building? Oh no, I think that building is on fire. Why doesn't anyone call the fire brigade? I think someone has. I can hear the bells. Students, now I find out some words from this dialogue. You listen the dialogue. Here some of the word smell. Smell. Hear, see, think. These verbs are in the present simple verb. They are present simple present form. Present form. That we call it simple present form. That is, I wrote on the board 4 words: smell, hear, see, think. So, students, now I am explaining this rule. Verbs not used in the continuous. We don't use the present continuous with verbs which we use to describe people or things. Now I am writing some sentences about this. Look at the board. Look at the board. Number 1, Amina is at school. Amina is at school. Not Amina is being at school. This is not Amina is being at school. Number 2, I like this painting. I like this painting. I like this painting. Number 3, do you love him? Do you love him? Students, I wrote 3 sentences on the board. Number 1, Amina is at school. Not Amina is being at school. This is. Number 2, I like this painting. Not I am liking this painting. Number 3, do you love him? That means not are you loving him? So, verbs which are not usually used in the continuous form fall under the categories of sense verbs, state verbs, emotion verbs, possession verbs, and other. I am writing all the forms of verbs. You will note down on your notebook. There are some categories about verbs. Number A is sense verbs. Sense verbs. Number B, state verbs. State verbs. Number C, emotion verbs. Emotion verbs. Number D, possession verbs. Possession verbs. And E is other verb. Other. Now look at the chart below. I am writing showing different categories of verbs that do not usually take the continuous form. Example, sense verbs: hear, taste, feel, smell, see, recognize. These are called sense verbs. State verbs, that means a state of mind. A state of mind, belief, remember, know, prefer, think, seem, These are state verbs. Emotion verbs. Want, laugh, like, hate, hope, desire. These are emotion verbs. Possession verbs. They are belong, own, have, possess, and other need verb, matter, exist, appear, contain. They are other verbs. Students, I have written some category verbs here. You know the sense verb. This is called sense verb. Why I call it sense verb? Because sense verbs here taste, feel, smell, see, recognize. All are sense verbs. Number B, state verbs. A state of mind, that is believe, remember, know, prefer, think, seem. They are state of mind. Emotion verbs. Want, laugh, like, hate, hope, desire. They are emotion verbs. Possession verbs. Belong. Some person has something. Belong, own, have, possess. And other verb need, matter, exist, appear, contain, and so on. So students, this is the categories of verbs. I hope you all have understood the information about the categories of verbs. Now I am discussing about the exceptional verb. Note that can. Can is a verb. You know that can is a verb. And this can is often used with sense words. Sense word, that is sense words such as here, sense word, hear, see, feel, smell, taste. They are sense words. Can often used with sense words. Exceptional. Now I am discussing about the exceptional verb. However, some of the above verbs can be used in the continuous form. For example, be, have, think, and appear. We can use the continuous form of these verbs only when they mean action. Suppose I am giving an example for you. Be, this is be. Be is a verb. Kareem, is an intelligent boy. intelligent boy. Actually, this is a state description, but I don't understand why he is being so irrational about this whole issue, acting or behaving in a certain way. Students, now I am giving you some assignment for the next week. I hope you will make this assignment, that is homework activity activity 1 and 2, page number 44 for your text book, English grammar book. Students, I hope you will note down on your notebook, and you, if you want, you will upload in the WhatsApp in my ID. So much for the day. I hope you will stay at your home. Don't go out without wearing any mask. Our COVID-19 is the second category, is fatal over the country. So this is a very dangerous period for us. So we should keep our body healthy by washing hands after 1 hour, and you will keep safe and healthy. Thank you all.